On February 16, 2026, the installer's PHIT Solutions team conducted a site inspection at Monster BT 105.9 in Kasambagan, Cebu City. The team arrived at 10:22 a.m. and immediately inspected the existing CCTV units to assess their overall condition and performance. During the inspection, 2 cameras were identified for further evaluation and possible repair. The CCTV system was found to be using a DVR or digital video recorder. According to the team, the disconnection issues observed could be caused by faulty coaxial cables or problems with the power supply for the analog CCTV cameras. Initial findings indicated concerns related to wiring, camera positioning, or system configuration, all of which required technical verification.